our channel, please subscribe. So we are trying to create a broadcast list. New broadcast. When you click on new broadcast, it's going to take you where you will select your contacts. Who are you broadcasting to? When you select those people that you are sending the message to, so the people you select now are going to receive the message you will be sending later on. At the same time, the same message without being in a group, without being in a community, without you having to text them one after the other. So you select the various people you will send to. I am going to select 3 people for now, just to make you to understand. And when you are done selecting, you now click on this button down, the blue button, and then you have created your first broadcast list. Now we are using 3 people, so we are going to write a message and send to them. This message is going to be received by each one of them individually, without them saying that you have sent it to many people. So it's not going to be forwarded now in the group. And now you have already sent a message, and they have received it. Everybody has received it at the same time. And now this is your broadcast list that you have created as your broadcast message. When you open, you can click it, it opens there, and that is it. Now you can do other things with the broadcast list. You can edit it, you can customize privacy, high contact name, no calls, media. You can edit the list again. Maybe after a day, or you are sending a message not to everybody in the list, so you remove somebody, you click on the X button, and then the person disappears from the list, and then you send it. And now you can also delete the broadcast list here. Thank you for watching, and please try to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support.